Welcome again, friends, family, and strangers. Today it's another unboxing. As you can see, it's from Ammo Zone. Yeah. You can probably guess what it is by the size of the box and the shape of it. Oh, it's a little dusty right there. Huh? Look at that. Okay. Put that over there. What could it be? Timex. Heck yeah. Ooh, looking good. Minimalistic, straightforward, tan band, black face, tan writing, numeric numbers. Man, look at this. Retails at 67 bucks. Let's pull the pin. Kaboom. Nice, pretty clean. It's actually pretty large, but nice and thin. Black frame. Nice leather strap going on here. Let's get this thing off. This one obviously is going to be a very simple unboxing. Box comes with instructions, of course. Nice cool pillow. Alright, let's get up and close in person. Alright, it's pretty basic. I like the design of it. Of course, movement is made in the Philippines. Nice. Strap is made in China. Got stainless steel back. So if you ever need to know, it's a 2019 cell battery, CR 2019. Alright, let's get the measurements in. I think it's a 42. I don't remember. I ordered it a while ago. Let's take a look. Yep, 42. Let's get the thickness out. 8.7. Lug to lug. Look at lug. There we go at 48.7. So it's going to be good for a nice wide wrist like mine. And for the strap, it's a 20. Yeah, let's put it on. Well, I've been sweating on that one all day, so you can see the sweat marks. Ooh, look at the tan line. So it fits pretty good, I think, because of the size. It being a 42 millimeter. It's brass. Brass case with, of course, mineral glass crystal. Indiglo. Probably can't see it right now. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see right now. I'll show you. I'll show you in a moment. We'll go in the closet. Go in the closet, and we'll turn it on for you. No date, which is kind of nice. I was kind of looking forward to not fixing dates every 30 days or 31 days or whatever. Let's see. The seconds land on the marks pretty good. Yeah, they land on them pretty good. Nice watch. Yeah, American made. Most of it, I think. Movement is Philippines. Chinese strap is made Chinese. And nice. You know, I got a 7-inch wrist. This actually fits pretty well. The only thing I'm worried about is the mineral crystal. It will get scratched, and it is large at 42 or 41 it being. So let's see, like how big is the? Yeah. No, the middle glass is about 38. It's a nice watch. Not bad for 67 bucks. Prices may change. They come and go. Signed buckle, which is pretty cool. I like that. Let's take it off. Don't need to wear it anymore. Oh, no, it's not signed. It does catch fingerprints well, so you'd be catching yourself wiping it down with your shirt pretty often. And it being black, it'll catch any dust either. I mean, as well. Yeah, it'll definitely catch any dust, it being black. It's a nice watch, not bad. Genuine leather, not the top, not the best. Timex stamped. That's nice. I like the strap, it's good. Would have been nice if that was signed, but hey, you know, it's 67 bucks. Maybe if it was 100 bucks, they go the extra length. Yeah, let's see the movement, see if it moves well. Yeah, looks good. What time is it? It's 3:09. There you go. Let's see. Let's take a look at 30 meters. 30 meters of, you know, water resistance. That's about 100 feet. Not good for swimming, that's for sure. Like, you could do your dishes as long as you're not submersing it too much. Other than that, it's a nice watch, man. There it is. Well, that's a simple unboxing. Thank you guys. You have a good one. And we'll see you at the next one.